everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we got a video. We are going to a car show, a kids benefit in Florence, Alabama. It's a car show, so I decided to enter the Ctsv. We're gonna enter it, and I'm gonna enter my Fox body. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Tag along. Made it. We're about to pull into SOS right now. We're gonna get the cars cleaned up. I'm waiting on them to come here and open up the gates. Let's do a quick pull. He's car.
Like I said, he's not getting out until we get to the car show. So he's home.
Show 2020. Here's our SOS right here. Got Doug's car. Got my car, the Predator. Got his car, little Papa. Got Josh's car, third gen. You got father-in-law's Corvette, and then our caddy. Guys, we just left the car show. The Cadillac got first place in the street cars. Pretty impressed with it, pretty excited. Still a few little things I want to do to this car. I want to get a carbon fiber hood for it, the Stingray style. I like to get a carbon fiber splitter for the front. I like to quieten it down just a little bit because it's really loud, and get a cam, and that's about all I want to do to the car and be done with it. So really excited. I hope you enjoyed this video. We're headed to the house, get it cleaned up again, because driving it got dirty again. So more action to come. Boosted 931, y'all have a good day.